And now no be make asem be me say NDC for 2020 say womo e winning elections now. There was a womo ye and they say it was a womo si statue. Emma Sami Jenfi. Eya me kasa na ngofu fi say eya asresem. Me kasa na ngofu si o melodies there raw for we ni so adene was o kan bibi sa Sami Jenfi there then etiefo. A day na Sami Jenfi was so ayebium. Me what you say I think it was about a month ago and 2 months ago. And na Sami Jenfi a press conference. Na that time the press conference I was here the first time in the country. That time na yenim say Aban has failed in the fight against Galamsey. Na even some people in the government Kennedy Japan Munia Babontinya because say they have failed in the fight against Galamsey. But still na Aban air say Galamsey fight ni de womu wini. That's what the government was actually saying. Sami Jenfi call one of the rivers Ghana big rivers Galamsey no asay no. Sami Jenfi call ho. And I say yeni aye hu senia na ho asay and Sami Jenfi twabre yen wo ye press conference wo enye se wo ko twa pictures keke betre Ghana fo wo hold press conference e wo ho e kansem inti se ngrofo e press conference na wo be hu ne se Ghana insuo na Sami Jenfi ko gina ho a wo ye press conference no I say it was the first time I will be aye bibisa e wo man we mu na ebimo e boss Sami Jenfi din NDC for the Bonabaso. That time he was trending very well on Twitter because it was the first time he had done something like that. Maybe more say, hey, Sami Jenfi pan there. Or how do you? Yeah, but he say, when say, idea bakwa Aban was share boss wa ba wa be one village, one dam, especially in the northern side of the country. Aban MIT say one village, one dam, no why yeah. NDC for there were more can say. Sa one village one dam na bankers wo be ye no enye dam bia no mo ye na wo mo fa excavators ekotutu fom keke inti ende wo pe e baaye e wo the northern side of the country no insio na wo mo kotutu amenemu a etogu mu no just insionary eno ne nsema na NDC for eka na MPP for nso eka se dabi enye ne kre enye ne kre Yaba sorry ahwe say Sami Jenfi akwa gina one of the supposed one village one dam ne ho. Ah wo be hu no say ne kre eye dugout pa ne ya ye. E na insu a ewom no aredro be. E na Sami Jenfi asanso akogina ho a wa ye press conference. Ah sema wo kan say nini na emu no wo pese wo tre Ghana for say one village one dam aban e de bo ne ho safo hene no eye ade a eye ntro e na aban etwa Ghana for. Wonye one village one dam bia obetutu amena keke na amena no yamamoti asese insionary eno ne yegina hu ye a ya ye hu ne se insionary den are no eno ne nsema Sami Jenfi ekan e wo press conference nim na nsem wenyi asisi na metre mo se he sa Sami Jenfi guy he's a different breed. This particular thing I have seen a lot of response. Oh, MPP before. Na me didn't na be bremo mamunsro. Me ye a special video na me de abremo. MPP before babontia be responded to san semnate for nya asem ketwa. And the minister na e was a washe sa one village one dam initiative ne ho no. Minister I think it was under the Ministry of Special Initiative. Minister Naba Bontin abebo Sami Jenfi echi mate comments be from Oman Hene Kwabna Sante ono nso abebo Sami Jenfi echi na bi mu ni akasa just say MPP fu ade we Sami Jenfi akoye a wo mo kasa no be hu ne say yes etwi omo ankasa. Let me read some comments for you na ye read we na emre this particular one especially on Sami Jenfi we a wokoye ye no. Na response na MPP for aye ede bre Sami Jenfi no me de no so beba na ya tena se na ya hwe de wo ka na kre ewom Na Ghana ni baako eba abonten this particular thing as Sami Jemfi akoye. Ghana ni baako aba abonten. You obeka say the good news is GTV did an independent report on these dams and the people are grateful. The ministry in charge did admit that a few were not constructed well. From the report, 4 out of the 300 done had issues. NDC can continue to deceive themselves. The nipa way can and say GTV for echo northern side of the country. Echo interview Crawford ka say one village one dam ne dey ne kre abanya ye ni age. Eno ni asema wo bi kan. E na nipa way can say oh one village one dam no 300 nkwa na abanya ye. But out of 300 no be 4 bi pe e na aban anya ni ye. It is 4 na aban anya ni ye no. Eno ho baako na Sami Jemfi akwa gina wo twa video eba no me say response na eba ne ya from MPP mpanyimfo no meye video na watson sem a wo mo ka na ya hwe de wo ka na kre obi nso ba o say Sami, just what you are doing is to discredit the MPP government. Good, but I'm asking, what will you do differently? What is your message? They promised and have delivered, maybe 5% noted. What is your promise? And what will you do differently? I think you are wasting time on this venture. And this, your strategy is not profitable. I like your passion, but I'm sorry. Your passion is misdirected. The nipa way air can and say, Sami Jemfi, no cre, who expose MPP amayen. Who expose MPP na Ghana for near who say MPP will make control the crack with the magia to say MPP for try and throw and then as a man the count. So one only pano wagia to say MPP for Ghana for control. Na the NDC for mon so moba mobile and Sami Jemfi Kanayan say was say Anne and I will say NDC MPP for I say woman say ne crack what the woman yade yate Oma bon. You see, you mark your more, I mark your more, 5%. Sami Jemfi why are they? One my year who say MPP for bon. Inti NDC for Sami Jemfi, the amount so mobile. Nanka waka. Say Ebia NDC yeba. Sa dam ya, wamo kase dama wamo ya asheno. Ebia NDC yeba, ya nyane sa. Ebia NDC yeba, ye diano, ye bulan ye beye. Ebia NDC yeba ye de na ye well ene ye beye eno ene nsem a wo bi country Sami Jemfi. There are more comments coming through. Now I have read comments of people who are actually criticizing the thing that Sami Jemfi has actually done. Now let's go into the some of the comments. They share the Ghana for ebi monso can. Obi say this thing must be continued. Visionless, hopeless, and mannerless MPP party only came to governance. Just to steal and settle their borrowed monies they used for campaign in 2012 and 2016. The nipa way can say, "Idea way as Sami Jemfi wo yi." I will say what so. Na wo bia Ghana fo niema ye nia ye hu say MPP for a chantro anyentro ketwa. Na Wobi also say the one village one dam is a great idea that was poorly implemented, and also near Asema will be Edeba. So I just wanted to read both sides of a year when no one say Asema si ye. Na media the may can any if you know Ghana, Sami Jemfi, the way he's going he'll be one of the greatest politicians in Ghana. And I'm not saying this just because Ebia Sami Jemfi say. Let me give you the reason why. Na enu hunti ena Kennedy Japan kraba abon sebeka say wono NDC nia will be a open asem Sami Jemfi. Kennedy Japan beka asem no. Sami Jemfi understands the political terrain in this country. Sami Jemfi kasa will make sure say will provide proof. Sometimes in Yamabia work later it turns out to be false, especially as Sembia work and say last be Kufa do 2 coin. according to Akufo-Addo koye no normally no nanke was say Akufo-Addo ebisa permission from parliament. Sami Jefi babonte beka say Akufo-Addo too kwan we ebisa permission from parliament. Ena NDC for wo mu leader e wo parliament ankasa babonte beka say dabi ene de enya nekre. Sami Jefi de o ka enya nekre Akufo-Addo bebisa permission. Inti sansem no kakra washa that was the time as Sami Jefi ba fresh. Inti now there was time for error. But sisia Sami Jefi na TV so provide proof trese MPP enya de a wo be bon nsem. Ha! Good evening Ghana. That day Sami Jefi broke the record of Chairman to me. Good evening Ghana. Show no obi a wakoso a nkrofo ahwe ne dodo Shatta Wale eno na last year, late last year. Shatta Wale nya be 4.5k views, 4.5,000 views at a time. Ena Chairman to me so course. Chairman to me course na wono Chairman to me no enya about 6,000 views at a time. It's for the following week ena Sami Jefi ko no breaking record no Sami Jefi no work ka ko be 8,000 views. Na de ti na nkrofo hwe Sami Jefi ebo nsem ama no ene say sa time no na Dr. Bawumia akoke university akoke kansem bi ena Sami Jefi eba Good Evening Ghana be provide proof say nsema Dr. Bawumia e kan ni nia e ntro. Na one thing na Dr. Bawumia kan ye ene say wo mo ba so no wo mo ate electricity bill so any insio ba omo a wo mo te Ghana ende you and I know say afiansa ukoto me say mi fie first me to 50 cedis it me last 1 week. Is out of 50 cedis Ghana it here for 50 cedis be 4 days na san. Sami Jefi the proof taxes be abai e dey to electricity bill no so ama akosoro what the or the proof no be share e wo Good Evening Ghana show no so e ma host the kra e ye shocked. Dr. Bawumia ma yet ase Petronin sensem Sami Jefi e be prove ma host ne kra e ye po adomotre sa dey no ye shocked. And so wa Endrechi na me hwe Asempa FM ekosi sen obi ene Sami Jefi ene deputy information minister a friend Pius Enam Hajide. Na Pius Enam Hajide no wo kansem se report via ba na report na etrese Akufo-Addo amemu no etrese Akufo-Addo ba so ya tetetete nnuane so wo hwe intos ne bayre ne nyama ya tete so etiefo sa report na deputy information minister ka no na Sami Jefi show ne so a wo twen report no de ma eye obi host no no sanso twen NDC mo time omo de e ma host no no ka say host na ready ne kra host na ready tretre mu no yeni ayati ase se MPP mo e ba so no intos ne gari ne banche ne nyama bi no afiansa etu akosoro prizes na akosoro na afei deputy information minister no hold show ne so na afei wontumi nkasa biom asem no what the fabi before fro. And this is not the only thing I ask Sami Jefi woye. Inti se meka se NDC for mama mo ati ase. I strongly believe 2020 elections will be Samia. I strongly believe NDC will not win. But if for some reasons me nyanya me opinion keke na me opinionated opinion keke na me ka me nyanya me. But if for some reasons NDC for a winner Sami Jefi abranche there was a musi statue Emmanuel. Ha! You can't deny the fact. And the NDC near wo kasa na MPP for ababonte be kasa ho popo mopan Sami Jefi. Wonya kasa ya wo se MPP ministers anyway na fe wo bia ti ase abonte yen kasa wo ha adwen eno hunti ena Kennedy Japan wo babonte be kasa wo no NDC wo bia wo pena Asempa Sami Jefi because Kennedy Japan understands how the political terrain of this country is. So wo share NDC mu hu ne say obi ananka yenya na wo MPP mu pa Sami Jefi. Na so ding small boy danger wo ha adwen papa. Check one comment box ni mo. That's it.